Thank you, Mata.
This is Jana.
Mataji, I am not yet.
You are there.
I am not yet. Sita Priti Didi. No.
Hare Krishna Mataji. This is
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes.
Krishna Mataji.
Hari Bol.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, share screen. Ashutosh,
Mataji, I can't see your screen.
that only, right? Yes. Okay.
Oh my
So, okay. So I see how many of you. Okay. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll start with our prayers, and those who are joining right on time, a big pat on your back. Okay. Those who are joining right at 6:15, a big pat. Thank you so much for joining on time so that we can start early. Everybody can see me, everybody can see the slide, right? Okay. So now everybody together we are going to say the verse, so say the prayers, okay? Everybody together. Om Ajnanatirandhasya
Om Ajnanatirandasya
Jnananjana Shalakaya
Jnananjana Shalakaya
Chakshunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Om Ajnanatirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Namo
Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Nirvishesha Pasyata Desasadine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaurabhakshavrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Hare. Very good. Okay, so we'll say our verse together. Everybody together, okay? Krishne Swadhamopagate
Krishne Swadhamopagate
Dharmagyanadibhi Saha
Dharmajanadibhi saha
Kalau Nashta Drushamesha Prano Dunoditaha Krishne Swadhamopagate
Krishne Swadhamopagate
Dharmagyanadibhi Saha
Dharmajanadibhi
Kalau Nashta Dharma Hemesha Anorko Dunoditaha. Okay, Samskriti, can you read the translation?
Yes, Mataji. The Bhagavad Gita Purana is as brilliant as the sun, and it has been arising just after the depart of Lord Krishna to his own abode, commanded by religion, knowledge, etc. Persons who have lost their vision due to the dense darkness of ignorance in the age of faith shall get light from this Purana.
Very good. Okay, so that means the Bhagavad Purana is as brilliant as the sun. Is there something which is more brilliant than the sun? Can you think about anything?
Anything more bright.
Can you think about anything
brilliant than
which
the
is
sun?
more brilliant than the sun?
No.
Right?
No.
So that means the Bhagavad Purana is as brilliant, as bright as the sun, and it has arisen just after the departure of Lord Krishna to his own abode. Okay, so we have the Bhagavad Purana wherein all the pastimes of the Lord, all the activities of the Lord are mentioned, accompanied by religion, knowledge, etc. Person who have lost their vision due to the dense darkness of ignorance. That means those who do not find their way, those who do not find what to do when you are in any problem and you do not know what to do. The Bhagavad Purana or Krishna's pastimes or the stories of Krishna and the teachings of Krishna will give you a light through any darkness. Okay, that is the main first class we saw last Monday, that how it is important to have the read the Bhagavatam, right? So because it is going to give you the light of knowledge, and it is important in the age of Kali. Why is it important in the age of Kali? Yes, Neha, you want to answer? Who wants to answer?
Me.
Yes, Ashutosh, come over here and answer. Loudly you have to say.
Because in the Kali Yuga, everyone is in quarrel and don't know.
Okay, so because in the age of Kali, everybody is in the age of coral. So we need something which will give us to light. Okay. So the next, again, we are going to say everybody together. So everybody can together say this with me. Yam yam vapi smaram bhavam.
Yam yam vapi smaram bhavam.
Te kalevaram.
Chachante ante kalevaram.
Tam tam eveti kaunteya.
Tam veti kaunteya.
Sada tad bhav bhavita. Yam yam vapi smaram bhavam.
Yam yam vapi smaram bhavam.
Jat ante kalevaram.
Chachante kalevaram.
Tam tam eveti kaunteya.
Tam veti kaunteya.
Sada tad bhav bhavitah. Okay, Ojasvi, can you read the translation?
Yes, Mataji. Whatever state of being one remembers when he body is that state he will attain without fail.
Okay, so now this is the base of our today's class. Okay, whatever state of being one remembers when he quits his body. That means this is at the time when the soul leaves the body and goes. Right? Everybody, eyes and ears on me, because there are going to be a couple of questions on it. Okay, so I just want everyone to pay attention to this because this is an important part. And I'm seeing who is paying attention. So that state he will attain without fail. Okay. So now let us see what exactly we did. Now when we are explaining, I do not want to mute you all because you all are responsible kids. So when you are not talking, you can have yourself muted. And when I ask something, raise your hand in the raise column and then we will ask you question. Okay. Let me see who is going to follow these rules so that everybody can understand. So now just to give a glimpse of what we are doing the story of King Jadabharata, right? Everybody knows King Jadabharata story we are doing, right? So what did we see? King Jadabharata was a king, and at some point he thought, now it is time for me to renounce. Renounces. Who can tell me what is renounce? Keshav, you want to tell what do you mean by renounce?
Mataji, it means that we need to renounce, drop everything by itself and give it to somebody else and walk away and stop getting attached.
Okay, thank you so much. So he thought that I have to renounce now, and then he went into the forest. When he went into the forest, he was in deep meditation. But at that same time, there was an incident wherein he saw that a deer needed help. And the deer had given birth to a baby, and the baby, he took the baby. He thought that, okay, I have to take care of this baby because there's no mom to the baby, and I will take care of the baby deer. And he started with taking care of it. He just took him under his shelter, and he was with the deer. And what happened was that he started taking so much care of the baby deer that he at times forgot his main purpose. Now I want somebody to raise your hand. And okay, Khushi has raised her hand. Khushi, what was the purpose of King Bharata?
So like he left, but he was supposed to do like meditation in the forest.
Very good. So his purpose of his life was to do into meditation and then reach back home, back to Godhead, right? So
I know
now,
the story from before.
very good. Yeah. So then what happened is that he got so attached to the deer that he kept on thinking, right, about him every time, and he lost whatever was his purpose of his life. This was till last week we did. Okay. Now what happened was that when it was time of his leaving his body, because every person or any animal, when they come to this earth, they take birth, they grow, and then they go away from this earth, right? They die, right? Or the soul leaves the body and goes. Now at this time, this is the time when it is very, very important that you are remembering all that you have learned or all that you have learned in your devotional life. Because what we say, that you have to remember the Lord at the time of death. Okay. So what happened over here was that he was leaving his body, and the poor deer, he came beside him. And then he started thinking, oh my Krishna. Now he did not even might have said Krishna. He might be thinking, oh, I was taking care of this deer. Now what will happen? That this deer is now, the deer will be alone. Some animal will eat him. And thinking about that, he left his body. When he left his body, now look at this picture very carefully over here. See, when he was leaving his body, the picture of the deer or the deer was closer to him. It was only the thoughts of the deer. What will the deer do? How will the deer live? I am not there. What will happen to the deer? And slowly his consciousness was all transformed into the deer.
Don't
Right?
look at it. Just
And
hear.
what did we see over here? That at the end of your life, whatever you think, you are going to take that body.
Eyes are becoming weak now.
Hari bol. Okay. So then he became the deer in his next life. Questions will be later on. Okay. So King Bharata becomes a deer. Now when he became a deer, he was born very close to the Pulaha ashram where King Bharata was. He was just born somewhere around the forest, and he remembered his last life, and he said, oh Krishna, what have I done? I left my kingdom, I left my children, I left my wife, I left such a very good life, and I came to the forest only to think about Krishna. And what did I do of my life? I got engaged in thinking about a deer and thinking about who is going to take care of him. I very well knew that Krishna is the controller. Everything is going to be done by Krishna. How could I do such an act? And he kept on thinking, right? So in his dear body, now he was thinking, okay, what am I doing? I should be doing whatever is necessary for my life to go ahead. And I should not be stuck into this body. Well, okay, I want you all to raise your hands and answer. Was this thinking right or wrong?
Right.
He was right.
It was right.
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 So what did he do?
Right.
Okay, so what did he do was that
If the king did not help the deer, would God punish him?
no. Okay, we'll come back out to all the questions at the end. Okay, let us finish this part first. So now, what did the deer think? That I do not have to stick into any sort of attachment. So what did the deer do is that when he was born to the mother, right? The deer was born to a mother deer, right? A mother deer, and then this baby deer, which is King Bharata, in this life said, I do not want to get attached to anything, and he moved away from that place. And where did he go? This king into the body of a deer, he went to the Pula ashram, with the forest, and he started listening to all the katha. He started listening to all the stories which the brahmanas or the saints were doing over there, and started immersing his mind and his thoughts only on the thought of Krishna, so that in his next life he can become a devotee of Krishna and can go back to Godhead, right? Now I want somebody else to answer. When he thought about this and he went to the ashram, what do you think the deer must have done? I'm going to ask a person, okay? So I want Sivya to answer.
With the question, Mataji, I couldn't listen.
Yeah, the baby deer, when he left his mother and he left all his attachment and he went, what do you think the deer must have done?
He might have, like, sometimes there's a lot of deers on the path, so then he just didn't focus on the deers. He might have listened to the sages
Very
saying
good.
the Harikathas to his disciples.
Yes. So what did he do? He remained there eating only dry leaves. It was not, oh, that I want something very opulent to eat and I will get more things to eat at the ashram, so I should go over there. No. He just, whatever dry leaves he got, whatever water he got, he just left. He was just eating so that he sustains his body. And when he leaves his body, it will be okay for him. So he did not live to have a very, very opulent life over there in the body of a deer also. Okay. Now, see, what is it that King Bharata, who had attained, okay, one second. Okay, who had attained loving affection for the Supreme Lord, what had happened? He fell down from his position because of the affection to the deer. Consequently, he had to accept the body of the deer in his next life. Many of us might have had the question, right? That King Bharata, I'll ask you some questions and then we will have some discussion over it, okay? So King Bharata, when he came to the forest, he knew the purpose of his life. Do you all agree with that?
Yes. Yes.
He knew the purpose
Yes.
of
Yes, Mataji.
yeah, so he knew the purpose of this life. So what do you think
Yes,
happened?
Mataji.
Again, you are going to raise your hands and then I am going to ask you a question, okay? So now what happened? Okay, so what happened that King Bharata forgot his purpose? Again, raise your hand and then I can ask you. Keshavi. Yes, Keshavi. You can unmute yourself.
True, Mataji.
Yes, okay. So what happened that he forgot his purpose?
Because of the attracting, because of the deer.
Okay. So now again, I want to ask you a question over here. Somebody else can answer. You can raise your hand. So now, does that mean that if any animal is in danger, Karthik, I'm going to ask you. You can come on video if you want. So does that mean that if any animal needs any help, I should not be helping that animal?
No.
What should I do?
You can help that animal, but don't get a cat.
So okay, you can. Very good. Who said that? Who said the answer? Who gave the answer? Karthik, did you answer? I cannot see half of you because you are not on camera. Okay. So somebody said that because if we see an animal in danger, we should help that animal, but we should not get attached to it. So how many of you feel that whatever King Bharata did was a mistake? You again raise your hand and then I'll ask you. Okay, Sri Lakshmi. Sri Lakshmi, do you think that King Bharata did a mistake? If so, what?
He saved the deer, but half of it he did not do good. Like he forgot the purpose of going to the forest.
Yes. So what was it? It was not a mistake, but he became over compassionate to the deer. Okay. And it was okay to be compassionate, but it was not okay to forget our main purpose, right? So King Bharata, it was, though he was taking care of the deer, he should have also taken care of his devotional services, right? So what do we understand by that?
Or you can just think about God while doing what he was doing.
Yes. And was it right on his part? Did he feel that, okay, I am taking care of the deer. If I do not take care of the deer, some animal will eat it. If I do not feed the deer, who will feed the deer? Is it right to think in that way?
No.
Who is feeding us all?
Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna.
He is not making us like he is not ruling the world.
Okay, Pari, I want you to answer. Can you unmute yourself, Pari? Okay. Yeah, so Pari, like there are so many animals, there are so many birds, right? Each and every animal we do not feed. Does that animal still live?
Yes, Mataji, because some of them like they're carnivores and we can't really see them and they can find the food by themselves.
Right. So everybody has to remember over here that when Krishna has brought us to this world, he has taken care that each and every animal will be taken care of. Okay. From the elephant to the small sparrow, each and every animal has a way to feed himself or herself. So we should never think that because of me, this animal is eating. If I am not there, what will happen? You cannot think about that way, because Krishna is the controller. I am not the controller. Everybody is thorough with that?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, yes, Mataji. But can you tell this story one more time in short?
Okay, once we'll finish with this part and then we'll go. Who is this? Can I know the name?
It's Chalak Das.
Okay. Okay, Jalak, 1 second. Okay, we'll finish this part first.
Mataji. Okay. So you should always think positive.
Yes, you should think positive and you should know that Krishna is in control. Okay? Okay, I want Akshita to answer. Akshita, King Bharata did so many good things. He had so many good qualities. Okay? Again, it might be a repetition, but he got a deer body. Why did he get a deer body?
Because all of the because he had all of the attraction to the deer, and when he was leaving his body, his all concentration was on the deer.
Okay, so now I want to ask.
At least you have to like think of God when you're about to die.
Okay. Okay, let me see who has raised hands and then I can ask them. Now I want to ask you then, what should be our thoughts when we are leaving this body? Moksha, can you answer?
What was the question again?
When we are leaving this body, what should our thoughts be?
Like about God, and we have to like respect God so we can like go to Godhead.
Okay. Now I want somebody else to. Sri Lasya, can you unmute yourself? So when King Bharata got the deer body, how can we see that what was Krishna's mercy in that? How? Because we try to find Krishna's mercy in each and every part, right? So, what was Krishna's mercy in this of giving him a deer body? Sri Lasya, can you answer?
When he got the deer body, he could remember his past life, so he could correct his mistakes and then not like follow the same mistakes again.
Very nice. Okay. So see, Krishna is so merciful that I told you, right? Last in the last Friday class. Yes, Nushita, you have something to ask? Okay, so last in the Friday class we saw, right, that suppose I am like, I'm not a very good person and I have committed a lot of bad things. And then when I'm leaving my body, I say that I have to take birth. I want to take birth in a very big family, in a rich family. But my karma are
Like
not
one
like that.
palace?
Sorry?
Like one palace?
Yes, like one palace. And but my karma are not that good that I should take birth in a very good family. But now Krishna says that whatever you think at the time of death, I will give you that, right? So then Krishna, he does in such a way that I will take birth in a very big family. I will take birth in a palace. But I might become a mouse. I might become a cat. I might become a lizard. I can become
Or a deer?
Yes, and then I can go in that big palace, right? So this is what
I
happens
think
when
it's
we,
one rat.
yes. So we have to also have good karma so that whatever we are thinking at the time of death will be satisfied. So instead of getting into all these birth and life cycles again and again, it is best to think about Krishna, right? Now again, many of them will think that how to think. Now I want to give you an example about the Rath Yatra. How many of you have attended Rath Yatra?
Me.
Yes, Mataji.
I did, Mataji.
I did, Mataji.
Yeah, Rudra, I want you to answer now.
I have done, Mataji.
Very good. Rudra, why is it important that we see the Rath Yatra or we attend the Rath Yatra? What do you think? Any idea? Okay, you know what? When you go on a vacation, right? When you go on a vacation, do you get those thoughts always that, oh yes, I went on a vacation, I went here, I went there, and do that thoughts give you a lot of happiness after some time? Does that happen, Rudra?
No, Mataji.
Few times. Yes.
Okay. Bhishma, I want you to answer. I can't hear you, Bhishma. There's some problem in your audio, Bhishma, because we cannot hear you. We cannot hear you ever. Last time also we couldn't hear you. Bhishma, can you talk something? No, see, we cannot hear you. Okay, there's some problem in your audio, Bhishma. No, we cannot see. Okay, Krishna Priya, can you answer this? So, when you attend a Rath Yatra, what do you see? Krishna Priya?
Yes.
When you attend a Rath Yatra, what are your memories or what do you see?
We attended one.
Yeah, so what did you see in the Rath Yatra?
I attended one.
Okay, Vrajaraj? Vrajaraj, can you unmute yourself? What do you see in the Rath Yatra, Vrajaraj?
I see Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra sitting on the chariot.
Yes, right. So you know what it is said, that when you are looking at the Lord, when you are having the visuals of the Lord for all this time in your lifetime, right? You go to the temple, you do service, you attend the Rath Yatra. These all things are so important because they will be with you every time. Those memories will be with you for every time. And when it is the last time of our leaving our body, the soul remembers all these good pastimes. The soul remembers the Lord. Okay, and that is the reason you have to keep chanting the name of the Lord. You have to keep reading the Srimad Bhagavatam. Because of this, your thoughts will get purified and you will have the thoughts of the Lord. Okay, everybody agree to it? How many of you are reading the Bhagavatam? Very good, Arav.
Yes, I am learning it.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, anybody had a question over here?
Me.
Yes, Arav.
Reading so many small Krishna books.
Very good. Arav, you have something to ask?
I have something to discuss.
Yes, Arav.
So there are like 9 stages of bhakti, of which the foremost was like prema.
Uh-huh.
So I was saying that Maharaj Bharat, he was like in the 8th stage,
Mm-hmm.
and he only had to get out of that, and he was in prema. But
Right.
it got attached to this deer, so he fell back down and had to start again.
Right.
Mataji, is
Yes,
that a true story?
Sorry?
Is that a true story?
Yes, that's what in the very first class I told you, that Srimad Bhagavatam is not a mythology. These are all real, true stories. Okay?
Mataji, may you retell the story in short?
Yeah, okay. See, you know what? The King Bharata, he was a very pious king, okay? And he also followed all the Varnashrama Dharma. That means after having been the king, now he thought that at the end of the life, I want to now go back into the forest and I want to do the service to the Lord and I want to spend my life remembering the Lord. So then he went into renunciation and he was doing his service in the hermitage, in the forest, and he was remembering the Lord. But once it happened that a deer was in danger because a lion was chasing it, and the deer was about to give birth to a baby, and the deer died of the fright, and the baby came out from its tummy. Now this King Bharata, he took care of the baby and he got a lot attached to the baby because the baby deer was always with him. And when he left his body, he left the body thinking about the deer. And as you know that whatever stage you are in, whatever you are thinking, you take that form of the body. So in his next life, he took the form of a body and he became a deer. And in his dear body, he said that I do not want to get trapped into this Maya again. I do not want to. Yeah, let me finish, okay? And then,
Question.
yes.
You said that when you're dying, whatever you think of, you are in your next life, you'll become of that. Like, if you think of Krishna, will you become Krishna?
You will go to Krishna. You know what? You put a very nice point. Whatever you think about, you become that or you go to that planet. So if you are thinking about Krishna, you will go to Krishna. Okay? So now we have come to the end of this part. Yes, Mataji.
No, nothing, Mataji. Go ahead.
Mataji, I have a question. You will become a question.
Yes, go ahead.
Mataji, craft time.
You will become
Yeah.
Krishna.
Okay, you know what? These questions, you are going to write it down because in our revision sessions, you will have it. Now it is your craft time and I hope everybody has your supplies with you because Mataji, you can take over. I'll stop my sharing.
Mataji, I am learning Srimad Bhagavatam slokas.
Very nice, Pavitra.
Mataji,
Mataji, are you there? Padmasakhi Mataji?
Mataji,
Yes.
what do you need for the art, the craft?
The craft, Mataji has told you to have only some construction paper, some drawing, pencil.
Mataji, I'm there. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, are you there?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, you are on Spotlight. Yes. Mataji, you can have another 5 minutes, okay? After 7 also, because there's no other. Oh, there is a class after this? Yes, there is Madhava.
At 8:15, there's Madhava class, Mataji.
Okay, you can you
Mataji,
can go
go
on
ahead.
till go on till 8:10. Okay, and the kids can keep quiet for a while. Mataji will teach. Yeah.
Okay.
Mataji, what do you need?
Vinaya Mataji, can you please share my PPT? I don't know, there's some problem going on here. I'm not able to share.
Mataji, in the meantime, just tell them what they wanted. A paper.
Yes, Mataji. You just need a paper and a marker. See, we will be making this here.
Mataji, can I see the Mataji? Please.
Yeah?
I want to see the deer again, please.
Okay. See, now somebody has to tell me if you write King Bharat Maharaj. So how many letters are we having?
Mataji, what is the question?
So when I write King Bharat Maharaj, how many letters do we have?
17, Mataji, 17.
17.
17. 17. 17.
Have 17, right? So today we will draw a. So just now Sita Priti Mataji has explained that King Bharat had become deer in the next slide, right? So we will draw this deer from number 17. Okay, let's see how it is. Once Mataji starts sharing the screen, we can start. Okay, we are going to do this here from number 17 because you all said there are 17 letters in King Bharat Maharaj.
Mataji, are we going to make the deer out of 17?
Yes, number 17.
Mataji, like the number, or do you need to write the letter?
No, you have to write the number 17.
Okay. Mataji, can you write it in the middle?
Yes, in the middle. Like this, see? This will be 1 and 7. When Mataji starts sharing, it's very clear in the PPT, okay?
Mataji, should you write King Maharaj's name, or you have to write 17?
No, you have to write 17. I was just telling you to count the numbers in the name of
okay.
Bharat Maharaj.
Okay. Mataji, is this correct?
17 on the picture.
Mataji, are you projecting it or anybody can project it?
Mataji, I'm asking you to, I was just requesting you to share because
Okay, I will do that.
I told you, I have some problem sharing.
Okay, I did not hear.
Mataji, can you show your picture and show me like the 17 number in there?
You just wait 2 minutes. Mataji said, see, this is 1, okay, and this is 7. You know, in India we write 1, 7, and in the 7 there is one line actually. See, Mataji started, Sita Priti Mataji is sharing. Okay, see, do you see? You all have to draw 17 like that. I don't think you have a line, a horizontal line here in the US, but in India we used to write like that, number 7.
Are you supposed to write that on class?
Like this, Mataji, this is Sanskriti.
Where is that? Yes.
What?
Yes. So
I didn't put my fingers on your screen. Is it like this, Mataji?
Yes.
Mataji, tell me when to the another screen. Okay?
Mataji, go up. Yeah, please go to the next slide, Mataji. See now from the 17, do you see how I connected? There is a line coming here and now the chin is coming. So if you please connect like that.
Are we supposed to draw dots?
It's
I
kind
just put dot dot because you will know from where I started. Mataji, can you please go to the next slide? Then they will know. See, this is the one. I connected the dot
two
dots.
eyes. It's kind of like two sevens as there's two eyes. Two sevens opposite to each other. Mataji. Masaji.
Yes.
Wait, should we do it in where we wrote 17 or should we do it in the separate page?
No, on the see, we started from 17, right? See, from 17, we brought the chin and this line, and that's how the face comes. See, this is the second one. You have to trace on the dots, and then this is how it comes.
So are we supposed to draw the stuff again?
Okay, let me also draw with you. 1 and 7.
You tried to take one today, but you did not get it right.
I'll join my. See, after you join, what you will do is please keep draw another eyebrow. On the 7 there is one line, right? So on the other side, draw an eyebrow and draw the mouth and the eyes.
Mataji, can you see me?
Yeah, I am seeing Shivya. Correct, perfect. And
Can you see me,
Pavitra.
Mataji?
Yes, I see
this,
Pavitra.
Mataji?
I see Keshvi. Yes, Keshvi.
Thank you, Mataji.
And Nushita, you got it.
Like this.
Mataji? Mataji, did I get it, Pavitra?
Prahlad got it. Pavitra got it.
Mataji, did I get it?
Yes, Prahlad, Pavitra, whoever is showing me. Akshita. Oh, he already finished. Very good job.
Mataji, this is Sanskrit.
Mataji, can you go to the
Is
next
this
slide,
good?
please? Yeah, now please draw the antlers.
What? And
Mataji, did you see mine?
Mataji, come see the next slide.
Yes, now please, please draw the antlers. After the antlers, after the antlers, you can draw any shape antlers. It need not be just like exactly like that.
Can you go back to the antlers?
Huh?
Can you back to my ankles look so funny.
It's okay.
Who's calling?
That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, yes. After the antlers, Mataji, can you go to the next? Oh, Mataji already went. Okay. So now go for the ears.
Mataji is not done that yet.
Yeah, it's in this slide also you can see. Just for those who want to draw the ears and the body. Now, when you see number 17, you should get reminded of Bharat Maharaj, and you should get reminded of all the memory, like lessons that Mataji taught, and the lessons we are going to see further. So,
Who's calling?
did you all finish up until here?
Yes, Mataji. No, Mataji. No, Mataji.
No, Mataji.
Stuff in black, Mataji.
I
You can't see the stuff in Mataji.
Yeah.
Light up.
I see all
No,
of-
Mataji.
Oh,
Yes,
just showing.
Mataji.
Radhika is showing. Radhika, good. Very good. Radhika is showing. And
Mataji, we can't see anything that is in pencil.
Pavitra is showing. Yes, I just drew it and I started this. Moksha. Yes, Moksha, very good. Good job.
Is it like this, Mataji?
Ria, yes, I see some name Ria Mum. Correct. Very good.
Mataji, this is Sanskriti. Is this good?
You can color. Samskriti, I don't see your video. Nushita, correct. You can color. See, I did a coloring at the. Mataji, can you show once the last slide? My son did that coloring.
Mataji, can you see mine?
Just give me a minute, Mataji. Samskriti, can you show?
Can you see mine?
Samskriti, yes, go ahead and draw the body. Samskriti,
Okay,
good.
Mataji. Mataji, this is
Lakshmi, can you show yours?
No.
Yes. Mataji, Radhika. Yes, Mataji. Sundari Gopi Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, that is me, Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji, this is mine.
Yes,
Mataji,
Akshita,
this is
perfect.
Akshita.
Yes,
Akshita.
Yes.
आता कलर
This is mine.
Brown है.
ऑरेंज कर ब्राउन कर
Rudra, very good
आगे
job.
कर
Mine.
ठीक है कलर करते तू
Shri, you got it. Shivya,
color?
you got it.
तेरा कलर
Yeah.
Yes, Shivya. You got it.
This is mine.
Very good. Go
थोड़ा
ahead.
ये ब्लैक रहना रे
Prahlad, wait, let me see you. I'm going to the gallery view. Where?
ब्लैक
Yes, Prahlad. There is a tail.
Number.
Prahlad, keep the tail, deer's tail.
मैं मदद करूं बोला
Color is the dot.
हाँ
What is this? Mataji, what color is the dot?
Oh, pencil.
Yeah, the dots are just dots. Balaram, very good. Balaram and Shubh Balaram, very nice. Go ahead and you can put the deer. Yes.
What are the dots?
I see a boy with nails.
डेस्परेट झाला असेल का बिचारा
What is your name?
डेस्परेट झाला असेल कोणतरी का
Pavitra, very nice. Very neat. Very good. Go ahead and color it.
Okay, Mataji.
I see. Vasu, very nice. Wow, I like your shade. Very
कर्मा that's your karma but you have to be
Thinking.
sensitive about it.
About the king. The background.
Mataji, can you see my deer?
If you say the name, I will look for you. Shri, very good. Very good.
Mataji, this is Keshav.
Where are you, Keshav? Where are you, Keshav?
Just to start his video, Mataji.
Yes, Keshav. Looking. There is Keshav, very nice. Very good. Very good to see you.
Thank you, Mataji, for teaching me to make a deer, Mataji.
Yes.
Thank you, Mataji, for teaching me this is Mokshita.
Oh, I see Moksha drew a deer and king. Very nice. Radhika, very good job. Radhika, very nice.
Mataji?
Yes. Yes.
Mataji, this is Kasi.
Very nice. Beautiful. Kushi, very nice. Kushi.
Thank you. Is it like
I think pretty much everybody showed. Keshav is done.
Is
Riya
it
is
like
so-
this, Mataji?
Yes. What is your name? I see Riya, mom. Are you Riya?
Mataji, I'm busy coloring, so Mataji, I'm coloring, so when I'm done coloring, I'll show it again.
Okay, Keshvi. Keshvi, nice. Good job.
पीठ पे डालते हैं सांबर है क्या
Okay. Who is that?
That is Kishori. Kishori showing her deer.
Oh, Kishori. Okay. Wow, very nice.
Her daddy did it.
Very good.
Bye, Mataji. I have to. Thank you, Mataji. I have to leave.
Very nice. Good job.
Thank you, Akshita. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, all of Okay, please color and post in the group, okay?
I will put in the book, okay? Nice all done.
And see you all tomorrow. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.